Hi, this is Tanya Meadows with Apple Tree Homeschool Academy and Apple Tree Home Daycare. Today I have an unboxing for this Melissa and Doug Let's Explore series. This is their outdoor cooking playset. I found this at our local Ollie's store for $9.99, which is a great deal. And it comes with this little burner. This piece just screws into the blue piece, and then it's got this little turn knob for the little flame to go up and down. It comes with this steam pot right here, and the lid just comes off like that. Now several of these items were packed into this for packaging. Comes with this little foldable handle on the frying pan, and all that fits on the little gas burner. That's what it looks like when you put it on the burner. That's what the pot looks like when you put it on the burner. It came with this little spatula and large serving spoon, a food packing list, which is reversible. There's a little instruction on how to nest it, but I probably will never use that part. Came with this little dish soap container and a little rag, a washcloth, a little bubbles, little disc there. And then there's the opposite side of it. Came with two little plates and spoon, and there's like a little sunshine design on the plates. I don't know if you can see that or not. And it came with all of this food. So these are like little zipped lock kind of bags, and they have their matching food. So the tortilla has a tortilla. The southwestern rice has a little fake that's made out of felt. And there's a salmon patty with the salmon patty is wooden. And then that's what it looks like on the opposite side. It's got some macaroni and cheese, a little box with a little piece of it that um, is on a little plastic disc. But I'm going to stuff this with probably some kind of cardstock or paper so that it doesn't collapse. And I'm going to use some packing tape to close the top and the bottom because my kids will tear up anything they're too small and they'll tear that up. Comes with this little cardboard oatmeal container, Quick Oats, and has a little lid and a little disc of sample oats. Came with this little seasoning cup here with a lid. Came with this little clip here, but I'm not sure what that's for. And then they send in a little net bag with the kit to store all of your kit with. So I hope you like this kit. It's part of our camping theme series. I found this at Ollie's today. So I hope you like this. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks. Have a great week.